Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Jamaica is a real place, you know. I tell you, Jamaica is all for private sector, you know. I tell you, cause you see, I'm there. I feel some pain in my chest from about 11 o'clock last night, I tell you, cause I don't even know what to do me. Cause I'm going to bed good. You see me? I get up and call my brother around 3 o'clock. So if you come carry me, go to the doctor. I tell you, so even though I'm there, I always feel pain in my chest. You understand? And me go say boom and go down to public. And when I go to public and come out of the car, the security stop me and say, oh, stay there, so. You feel no fever or nothing? I say to her, I say, no. I said, no, I'm just feel some pain in my chest from in the early part of the night and I can't sleep. So, me come check. She said, what am with me? She said, if we wait, she have to go to the doctor. So, the day I wait, she come back and she sent me on to the doctor. And I say, oh, I'm going there. 2 nurses and a doctor there. When he P. Jones. About 4, me reach them about 4:20 something. 4:26 also. About 4:30 I leave out of the hospital a while ago. See? And me, when I go there, the nurse said, don't come no closer. What do you? I tell her, I say, my chest a pain me. So she said, doctor, talk to the brother. The doctor asked me my age. And him asked me if I have high blood pressure or I have sugar, diabetes. I tell them, say no. The doctor say, oh, I have to go back home. Because him can't look at me. Because due to my age barrier, and I don't have no certain sickness, I have to go back home because I don't have a real emergency. So I say, oh. So, doctor, you have to tell me I have to go home, you can't help me. You must say, it's not a real emergency case. And so I say, oh, because in Jamaica, they have a program where they do indentured servant. And me go on the program there. You understand? Where indentured servant thing where you go to work in another country for a small amount of money. You understand? Which the same your country should benefit off the same way where you come from. You go there for a period of time, do a amount of work and come back home. You understand? Where the government might get goods in return for the trading they go on. You understand? And me depend on the program, I work on greenhouse for 6 years. And upon working at the greenhouse, me get chemical for mix and thing. 2014 me get 6 years and me get some Ventolin for use and thing and some pills for take. And I never born I use them thing. After 2014 I started to use them. And me come home and stop work at greenhouse. Start go back to Apple. I work same way. You understand? And I show the man see how me's a man we get caught up with chemical and things, and I caught me if you have some chest problem, you don't want to go home. The man tell me say, there's nothing you can do about that. Me have to go home. So right now, I sit down me so right as I feel pain in my chest, Me there go in my house, You understand? Like me I say Jamaica have a private sector car right now. That simply see me as with the pain in my chest if me not have a private doctor to go tomorrow. Me I go still on the way or do me. You understand? Me ask him name, because I say, yo, me have to know your name, He must say him name P. Jones. You understand? He must say a P. Jones, my name. Because right now, I don't even know how to go. I know right now, I want the Minister of Health, Andrew Holness, to see this. If you know, say, yo, them need to do something about them thing there. Because if a private doctor, man, a person come, a doctor supposed to assist them, brother. Because you don't know what the circumstances. A man can come and look fit, you know. And I tell you, I feel pain, and you might feel say him good, and him just drop down and dead. So what if me drop down and dead right now? Where man tell them all my brother will carry me and know say that him do. You understand? The man they ever check my blood pressure. Although me I see how me not shove them something. The man they ever check my blood pressure and nothing. If you say what do me? See right now me they have peace. Oh me I tell you say man. And no way me ever go in this world and go on emergency. And the people them would have put CAT scan for you to check to make sure say you're good. But I send you out to make you go dead. And Jamaica, I wish for me born and go. See? And I see how was a man, and I still I feel pain. And the doctor send me and me hard without even the man they ever try to put something for me and check my pressure. Nothing the man not do. Someone know what kind of country this Andrew Holness them around or whatever at the end of the day. And whosoever could have give them that the power to say, well, anybody will come. Find them no 60 or over have diabetes or high blood pressure. Send them back on the yard because they're not dead. Because basically that the brother tell me, brother. And me can't understand that. Me just can't understand that. You understand? Because at the end of the day, when me the Minister of Labour and them send me where a time, they must say, boy, we are ambassador for the country and we must hold up our head down if we do it. And at the end of the day, the same country where we are going a year time go work in a coal for, them don't have to see we dead because them not set nothing for we can check ourselves or anything. So if we don't have money and there's not a private doctor, as I said, the country, if we don't have a private sector, we're dead down here. You understand? I dead. So right now, I ain't me going this alive. Right now. And if a man call me tomorrow and he say me dead, me must say me go a doctor, because me go there, the doctor send me back to my yard. I suppose about 5 o'clock now. You understand? And the doctor send me back to my yard. Without even, the man they even look for me, because then they even come near them. Oh, you can know what me and your doctor. So you say, me not have no symptom of the COVID then. So that means you can't help me. Me not have an emergency. And what if a COVID me have, but you still me strong and I show certain symptom. I eat on my chest or whatever. The man them just send me back in a right now the government say emergency crisis with the pan in the country. But yes, still you can't go a doctor with a pain in your chest and another doctor pay the mind to it. And it's not like the man busy, just sit down, the man sit down. Not even a small check when I say, boy, the doctor check me so I can go back on my yard. Probably some team or whatever. The man don't do nothing. You understand? Me have a vendor in me use it 2 times already from night. You understand? Me drink tea, nothing, me still feel the pain. Sometimes the pain stretch all across my shoulder, cross that them place. Because when I move my hand, when I lie down, I have to try to set away if you say I get asleep. All alone, I sleep. See? I sit down, I have to sit down in the morning. I wait till 9 o'clock in the bed. When a private doctor want me to call them, send me even try to go back to public car, them done one from down there in the bed. You understand? But I just life still, brother. I just life. And you only so no need to think out a different way. Not even say in a day. Because since a private doctor we have to go. What about when the private doctor them close in a night like this? You understand? What about when the doctor them close? Because I have to go wait till 9 o'clock tomorrow when the doctor open. Until the start.
Viewers and subscribers, Dancehall there. Big up and respect. And listen to what me I say to you carefully, because may I make sure I say this first. I am not saying that this person is telling any lies. You see me? No, I am not saying that. But you see, if what this person had said is true, you see me? Then what this person just talked about that had happened, totally not a good thing. You see me? Now listen. According to what me hear this person say, you see me? It would seem as if this person a feel pain. Go to a doctor. Him saying go public, right? And him go to try and get himself checked out. To see what go on. And the person send him back. Well, never say the person, the doctor. According to what he said the doctor send him back. And yard. And him say him still a feel pain. You see, if what this person said is true, I totally slackness that, yo. You see me? So me listen to him and I say to myself, say, yo, so maybe the doctor afraid him have the coronavirus. But even if him have the coronavirus, you see me? You're not supposed to send back somebody in the yard will have it. All when you don't have no illness none at all, you're supposed to can go to hospital and say, yo, me I get a checkup to see if me alright. Because some of the times, you know, you're there as a live a galang and you know, realize there's something wrong inside there, you know, until one day, boom, sudden, you know. You understand? And some of them simple little videos that I look on the viewers and subscribers, you see me, because some of the time, you know, you have a lot of issues out there where people, you know, want to share with you, you know. You understand? It's up to you for really and truly looking at it and say, if I lie, them I tell or I true, them I tell them, because you have some people put some things on social media where it's not necessary to go up on social media. You know? But something like this now, when me hear this person say, right, I know, you see me? You see, if I true, him I tell, yo, let me tell you something here, man. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about what this person had said. Is it? Because really and truly, if what this person had said, if it is true, right? Remember no, me not say I lie the man I tell you no. Me not say I lie the man I tell. But if everything that this person said is actually accurate, it no look good. It no look good. You see me? And this person need to make sure that him do some form of report or they find the necessary authorities and report this about that person when he said him go visit at the hospital at and that person send him back home. You understand? Yeah, that person need to be talked to. That person need. You see me? And I'm talking about the doctor, you know. That person need to be known. You see me I say? By the necessary authorities, because something like this not right. If it is true. Alright? Anyways, let me know what you think about what this person had said. Alright? Alright. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.